So I moved the gas tank off this Predator, and I'm going to use this gas tank here. Alright, so I got my throttle cable hooked up. So now when I twist it, it snaps back. I added an extra spring here, so governor's not removed. I got the stock muffler, stock air filter on it. Nothing fancy on this bike. Alright, so now I need to hook up a kill switch. These are the two wires from the kill switch that was already on the bike. So I'm just going to go ahead and... Doesn't matter which one you do. So I basically just broke the path of the wire coming out of the switch going into here, which ties to ground. Or actually, that goes to the coil, and the other side goes to ground. So basically, you're just grounding the coil. So I'm going to cut this off here. We're going to add a butt splice. And here. Let's try to kill. Alright, works. Wow, that actually turned out much better than I thought it would. Pretty cool looking fake leather. Got it from Wally World. Alright, got something real simple for this Baja Warrior. I'm going to put a centrifugal clutch on it. Alright, so I'm going to slide the motor all the way back, figure out how much chain I need, where I need to take it apart at, and then I'll be able to slide the motor forward to tension it just a little bit. So I'm cheap. I don't have a chain breaker tool. So what I do is I just stick this bad boy in the vise and I use a punch. There we go. Alright, she's on. So I've got some round stock here and a couple pieces of pipe. I'm gonna make some foot pegs. Basically, they're gonna go right there, and then I'll probably paint them black. Also, I'm gonna mount this right here for my battery for the headlight. I'm gonna cut out a couple pieces of metal here so I can mount it. I've got a couple bolts that should work. Let's get to it.